Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hi! So, I'm back again with another reaction video from the group Now United, and this is Meet Shivani from India. Hopefully I said her name right. Also, India is also another place I need to visit. I know I said I want to visit a lot of places, but India, I really can't wait to go to India.
I think the world is very much full of talent, and everyone has a different talent in their own. The world is full of colors and a light of inspiration, so it's all very beautiful.
Come.
My grandfather gave me this name because I born on Shivratri, and that is why I got this name Shivani.
Shivani.
I love my name.
Yes.
In my childhood, I dance a lot. It's all fun to dance like a little kid. My childhood was awesome.
Aww.
I dance by watching the TV programs. I'm just hoping to be like.
It's so sweet. They still have videos from when they were a child.
I gave my first dance on stage when I'm 3 years old. Pandit announced on stage that there is a girl who is very good in dancing, and if she is supported in dance, she will achieve more heights in dancing.
Yes,
and
yes.
He pointed at me, and I was very much happy, and my family supported me much more, and I practiced very harder, and that was a changing moment.
Oh. Storm.
One of the great countries on planet Earth is a country called India. And Shivani.
When I found that I am the part of Now United, I am very happy that I'm going to perform and spread love and fun to the people who enjoy my talent. The Now United project is very good for the world because we are going to perform with same feeling of love and travel.
I'm here for it.
Spread our talent by performing.
I
want everyone to be united,
you and me, feel the thing that I love. Wow!
I'm gonna give my best to represent India and its culture.
Yes, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. That was Shivani from India, from the group Now United. I'm so excited. Nice to meet you, Shivani. I want to say thanks again for the person who recommend me to react to Meet the Members. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. India is also another place I want to go visit. So nice to meet the group members from Now United. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.